A very nice good morning to all of you. I am Prashant Anand, a student of BCA PPU first year batch 1 Simej College Patna, and I welcome you all to this amazing session of the JavaScript. This video lecture is recorded under the guidance of our respected Ramlakhan sir. So, in this session, we will discuss the variables in JavaScript. We will see how the variable works, what is the variable, and what is benefit and its naming conventions. So, moving to the next slide. First, with the definition of variable. In JavaScript, variable are those containers which holds the reusable data. It means that the variables act as a container which is used to hold the value, and when it's needed in our program, then we can call that value through the variable name, and we can reuse that value in our program. It is basically unit of storage in the programs. Basically, it is one of the best method to store any data into the memory location. But if we need any data to store in our memory, then the variable is very important. As you can see here, the containers are available, and I have given some names: my int, my real, my character, and my string. And in these of container, each container holding some values such as 4, 2.5, a, and hello. These values are called their values, and this container which holding these values is act as a variable. So this is the variable, and this is the concept of variable in the JavaScript. Moving to next slide. Rules to declare the variable name. If there are basically 3 or 4 basic rules through which we can write the variable name. During the variable name, we need to follow this rule. First, uses. We can use letter capital A to Z or small a to Z in our variable name. Digits 0 to 9 digit we can include in our variable names. Then underscore and dollar sign. If we want to use some special character in our variable name, then we can use underscore and dollar sign it. So how can we start any variable name? So variable name must be start with the letter A to Z or the dollar sign. If we are writing any variable name, then it must be start and follow this rule. So, and the last rule says that we can't use any reserved keyword in our variable. In JavaScript, as we all know that there are so many of the reserved keyword which is used for any function to perform any specific task. So that keyword we can't use as a variable name. Moving to the next slide. There are four ways to declare the variables in JavaScript. First one is automatically. If I write only x is equal to 2, then it is just to declare the variable automatically. Now second way is var keyword. Var keyword is used before writing the variable name. Var is another method which is used to declare a variable. Then let keyword. Let keyword is also used before the variable name to declare and initialize the variable. Then after const. Const keyword is a very unique keyword in JavaScript which provides the facility to store any constant value. And in var and let, var keyword is used in the older version of the search engine, whereas the let is in the latest version of the search engine. So with this all the concept of variable and the JavaScript programming using variable, I want to end this session, and I hope that this session will help you, and I want to this session with one unique line, that is learn and practice, which make you perfect in your life. So thank you very much. Have a very best day.